Sometimes coming up with a project idea on your own to help you sharpen and level up your skills is kind of troublesome, isn't it? Don't worry, because today I got you back. Today I came up with an idea to help you level up your skills in many ways with a single project. Come with me and I promise you something amazing, something you will stand with, and something you may not anticipated that will enlighten your coding journey. Hello everyone, my name is iFarouq Yahuza. You can call me iFarouq, and I'm so happy to be with you today. Before we get into our content, I would like to use this opportunity to apologize to my fellow subscribers and viewers for taking this long time away without proper notice. I use this opportunity trying to bring better ideas to the table, the ideas that will come with more useful content than before in a way you will love. I hope my apology will be accepted. Today I brought the chat app series. This chat app has come with little unnecessary features and functionalities that we need in the time being. This project is a bit complex, but I will inshallah try my best to make it less complex and explain every bit of it in a better way for you to understand. This series is for beginners and intermediate web developers who already know the basics of programming languages we are going to use. Without further ado, let's dive into the app and see how it's working. But before then, we will need to register with the app in just few simple steps. After you open your browser, enter the URL ifchat.ifarouq.dev and hit enter. Now you can go ahead and enter your valid email address, then click on the verify button to verify the email address. The OTP will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your mailbox, copy and paste the OTP you received, then paste it here. Click on validate button to validate the OTP. And now as you can see, my email address has been verified. So after your email address is verified, the next and final step is to activate your account by completing your profile registration. Finally, now you see my account is activated. If I click on my profile, you can see the gender, date of birth, nationality, state, local government, contact info, and other things. Now the next thing to do is to upload my profile picture. Oh, you see the file I tried to upload is more than 500 kilobytes. So in that case, I will need to change another one. Okay, now the image is uploaded successfully. As you can see now, I have completed my registration and my account is ready. Note, you have to know that if you do not complete your registration, your account is not going to be activated. If your account is not activated, you will not be able to use it, and other users are not going to see you in the search or friend list. Now we are going through the app and briefly see and explain its features and functionalities. The user's profile has 5 different sections: profile display, edit profile, privacy, delete account, and sign out. Profile display is a section where all users' information are displayed. Edit profile is a section where users have privilege to edit or change one or multiple of their account's data. Now I have changed my first and last name to John Doe. Privacy section is a section where users have the right to hide or show some of their personal information from or to the public. Delete account is a section that gives users the right to permanently delete their account whenever they want. Once the user does that, the account will be erased from database. Other users will not be able to find his or her profile. Sign out is a section where user can simply sign out from the app and sign in again whenever they want to. Unlike delete account, once the account is deleted, it cannot be signed in again until the user registers as new user to the app. The chat is a page where all users' current and previous chats are displayed, and those that are not displayed in the list can be added by clicking on the new chat. The drop down of the friend list will be shown after you click on the new chat. Now you see the new chat has just dropped in. The chat has 3 features: edit, delete, and reply. Users can edit the text they have sent, the same as delete. Also, user can reply to the text they have sent or received. I've edited the text I have just sent from hey buddy to hey bud. I can also reply to it. The edited text is labeled as edited on both ends, while deleted text is anonymous. User's friend will not find out if the text is deleted. Moreover, users can block their friends, unfriend their friends, and for each of these actions, the other party will see if he or she got blocked or unfriended by their friends, and also add them again. The last thing on the chat page is user can view their friend's profile from the chat. Friends is a page where all users' friends are displayed and can be searched if necessary. In case the user couldn't find one of their friends, you can just search for the friend you are looking for. You can search them by their username, first name or last name. You can also add friend if you needed to, although we haven't come to that yet. If you click on any of your friends, you will be able to see their profile and any of their remaining information except those that you are restricted from: date of birth, email address, and phone number. From your friend's profile, you can be able to message, block, or unfriend them. You can also block him, unblock him, unfriend him, or friend him again. The friend request page is where you will find every new friend request you receive from other users who wants to be your friend. You can accept their requests as well as decline it if you want by just clicking on any request. Their information will be appeared on your screen and make decision you please. Search is a page where you can be able to search for as many friends as you want, but it only displays the users that are not on your friends or friend request list. You can send friend requests to a particular user that you want to be a friend with by just clicking on their profile like this. Their profile information will be displayed on your screen as it did on my screen right now, so you can add them or go back. So you see now I have added this friend and he is disappeared from my search friend list. If maybe I change my mind, I can just cancel the request and he will appear here. So that's all about the chat app introduction. I hope you find it interesting. The next phase we are going to enter is to start building the app from scratch with you guys, but that is going to be in our next episode. Do not hesitate to ask your question regarding the entire series we are about to start. I will inshallah try my best to answer your questions as soon as possible. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming updates. Until next time, always make hope and never give up.